Hey, it's Hayley here. Today I'm going to be swatching 5 of the PERIPERA Airy Ink Velvet Fall/Winter lip tints, and these came out a little while ago. I believe they came out Fall/Winter 2017 in the Northern Hemisphere, so I think they came out about 6-ish months ago. And I recently got onto the Korean beauty train and I'm loving it, and these are definitely one of my new favorite. Wow. These are definitely my new favorite lip products. I carry them around everywhere I go, and these make your lips feel so buttery smooth, and they just kind of fill in any of your lines, and they don't emphasize any dryness on your lips. And as the name suggests, Airy Ink Velvet, they're just very lightweight and soft. And yeah, so I'm going to be swatching all 5 of these shades for you, so if you're interested to see what they look like, please keep watching. Also, I bought all of these on YesStyle, and they are often on sale, so I highly recommend that you wait for a sale to come around, because I got 60% off on these and they all cost under $10 each, and typically they retail for 24 Australian dollars each, so it's worth to get them on sale. And yeah, so the first colour I'm going to try on is 06 It Brown Orange, but to start off with I'm going to put a bit of my cushion on my lips just to have a more neutral base. This is what it looks like with a more ombre look. The next one is 07 My Brown Coral. Firstly, the more gentle ombre look. The next colour is 08 Glimpse Brick Brown. Now the next one is 09 Legend Brown Red. This is it in the ombre style, and to me it looks a little bit more pinky than red, but nonetheless it's still a nice colour. And last but not least, number 10, this is Dry Rose Brown. Sorry if it's really loud and windy. The weather is absolutely crazy here today in Melbourne. It's been sunny, it's been hailing, it's been windy, it's been raining, it's been sunny again, and at the moment it's really windy and really grey outside, so yeah, the wind is really loud and scary. Ugh. Anyways, this is it in the ombre style. And then this is the final lip. So that was all 5 of the PERIPERA Airy Ink Velvet Fall/Winter shades, and I just love this product so much. It's my new go-to lip product, and the shades are so beautiful, and in particular I really love number 6 and number 8. 8 is what I'm wearing right now, and it's just a really beautiful everyday lip, whereas number 6 is just an orangey toned shade that just makes me feel really nice and summery, although we're in winter at the moment in Australia. But I love these 2 shades in particular. I can wear them on a daily basis. As I said before, the texture of these are so smooth and buttery, and they just make your lips just feel really soft. And yeah, I highly recommend this product to anyone. Just try it out. They're really cheap. As I said, only $9 when they're on sale. And yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, go hit the like button, and if you want to see some more videos from me, go hit subscribe, and hopefully I will see you next time. Bye!